Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Ads and create a new campaign with a clear goal: sales, leads, or traffic. Select the campaign type that matches intent, for example, search for intent-based queries. Next, define scope. Pick locations, language, and set a daily budget you can sustain. Choose a bidding strategy like maximize conversions or manual CPC. This decides spend behavior. Finally, link your payment method and connect Google Analytics if available, so you can measure results and attribute conversions accurately. Once the campaign skeleton exists, you focus on targeting and creative execution. Start keyword research. Mix exact, phrase, and broad match modifiers. Add negatives to cut wasted spend. Organize keywords into tight ad groups and write 3 to 5 ad variations per group so Google can optimize. Make headlines relevant to intent and ensure the final URL leads to a landing page that converts. Also add audience layers and add extensions for higher visibility and clearer calls to action. You launch the campaign, but the real work is monitoring. Verify conversion tracking. Use GA4 or the ads tag and test a conversion. This is essential. For the first 7 to 14 days, watch CTR, CPC, conversion rate, CPA, and ROAS. Don't overreact to early variance. Make iterative changes. Raise bids on top performers, pause poor keywords, run a /B tests on creative, and tweak landing pages for clarity. Troubleshooting tip. If conversions are 0, confirm tags, fire, and check audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.